Today, I'm giving you a quick peek inside the amenity kit you get in British Airways Business Class, curated by the White Company. Let's open it up and see if it's worth the hype. First off, the pouch itself is very cute, minimalist branded with the White Company London, and something you could definitely reuse as a travel pouch or makeup bag. Inside, you've got your flight basics, a toothbrush, a mini toothpaste, earplugs, a soft eye mask, much nicer than the typical airline ones that you get, and socks, which always come in handy when you're trying to feel cozy up in the air. Then we've got the skincare, which is where the White Company steps in. A mini moisturizer, lip balm, and a pulse point oil, which smells amazing and it's supposed to help you relax. All of them are from their Restore line, which has eucalyptus and peppermint oils, super refreshing, and a nice little touch of spa in the sky. Is it luxurious? Well, it's not over the top, but definitely premium feeling, especially compared to economy kits. I love that everything is usable, the design is sleek, and the skincare actually feels thoughtful, not just fillers. If you've ever flown business class with British Airways, let me know. Did you love the White Company kit or were you expecting more? And if you want more insider looks at flying with a baby, business class tips, or airline reviews, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.